Welcome to all pre-pick tutorials.
Today I am going to show you how to create colorful grainy texture background in Adobe Illustrator. Please watch entire tutorial. Draw a horizontal box shape using with the rectangle tool shortcut M. Gradient panel Ctrl F9. Left side slider color R102, G45, B145. Center slider color R237, G28, B36. Right side slider color R0, G255, B255. Type radial. Go to effect menu and pixelate and crystallize. Cell size 187. Again go to effect menu and pixelate and meso-tint. Type grainy dots. Finally your grainy texture background design is now ready. Please follow steps and it's easy way to create beautiful grainy texture background in Adobe Illustrator.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for new tutorials.